this side with me. Look. Here. Come to it. Come to it. No, no, you're not going down the hole. No, don't commit suicide. Good step. You're so cute. You're not allowed to bite it.
I'm a strange haircut.
He's going to bite me if I go near him, isn't he?
No.
No! He's a one. Okay. Open! Yes, okay, open. Why is it open? Look, he's out. Do it open! You bent it. Where is it? What? Come here. Sorry. Sorry, no, I'm not touching you. Come here. No, don't you dare go up that hole. I'm not going up that hole. No. I'm scared of him. He won't hurt me, will he? I'm not going up the hole. Don't bite it. As.
He might fly.
No, when he's biting me.
No, he won't bite you.
You bet you.
Yeah, that's because I scared him.
Oh, well, I'm scaring him.
Yeah, but he thought my hand was food.
Okay. Okie dokie. Stop. Oh, he stopped. No, he stopped.
I love it. It just goes in his time.
No, because then I can get him out. Go up. Yeah, go in your house and they can get you. What is he doing?
He's washing.
Oh, good. No, stay in your house, stay. Oh, you cheeky little thing. How did you shut open? How do you do it?
Just leave it.
Oh, it is real.
Yeah, we'll go back in the tube. Are you scared?
Bye.
You're scared, aren't you?
Yeah.
Do you want me to get him out?
Yeah. Awesome. Oh. It is yourself. Hello, little one.
Open back.
Yes.
Go jump.
You will hamster. Joking.